Hey everybody, today I want to talk to you guys about how Assembly integrates with Slack to make your workflow a lot more streamlined. So there's two main ways that we do Slack integrations. The first is for personal notifications. So that's just if you need to get notified about like approvals that are requested from you, or if someone tags you in a comment, things like that, and you can always adjust those settings. But the more interesting one is actually what we call channel updates. So that's kind of the second way we integrate with Slack. And what this is basically Assembly will integrate with a Slack channel of your choice within your workspace, or multiple. And basically, anytime a live post goes out, we'll automatically ping the channel with a link to the post so that everyone who needs to can go engage. They have visibility about what's actually getting posted. They can leave a like or a comment and basically help bolster that post. So for these purposes, I connected a new channel just called Demo Marketing Boost just to show you how it works. And we have a demo post that is actually getting posted right now. So it's 5:15 where I am. And basically, if I go to Slack and I open this up, you'll see that just now a new LinkedIn post was posted. And it'll include a link to the post. Theoretically, if we were using this at the company, we would have everyone in it. And people would know to just go like and comment when a new post goes out. If I click the link to the post, you'll see it just loads the post like this. I can go ahead and like it, leave a comment, whatever it might be. But yeah, we think it's just a really natural, easy way to boost engagement. You can always use Assembly's auto engagement features, of course, but we think this is just another way to keep the team in the loop and kind of boost visibility on things. Awesome. Thank you.